Thanks for contacting MixU, and thank you for ordering one of my favorite cocktails, the Boulevardier kit. This is a true classic cocktail, a true classic bourbon cocktail. As you can tell, I don't like bourbon at all, but I think you're gonna love this drink, okay? It's very simple. You're gonna have a mixing tin. I'm using a beaker. This is kind of the standard tool, but again, a mixing tin will work just fine, so use the mixing tin that you have, not a problem. We're gonna start out with 2 ounces of Buffalo Trace. That's right, I actually put Buffalo Trace in my decanter because it is one of my go-to bourbons. So we're gonna go 2 ounces of Buffalo Trace. Again, this nice measuring cup you're gonna find inside your kit. We're gonna pour that in. Then the last part is very, very simple. We're going to do 1 ounce each of sweet vermouth and 1 ounce of Campari. So again, 1 ounce of our sweet vermouth. One thing about sweet vermouth is remember that it's a wine-based spirit. So make sure that you keep this when you're not using it. Keep it cool, keep it in a refrigerator. It's gonna keep it fresher longer. So vermouth, always keep it in the refrigerator. Then we're gonna do 1 ounce of our Campari. This is one of those liqueurs that really is come a long way. These types of classic prohibition style cocktails have gotten huge. So probably a big reason why you love this drink. Probably a big reason why we all love this drink. So again, that's it. Very simple. We can put this measuring cup aside. Those are the 3 ingredients. It's the portions that are very, very important. You want to get those portions right because it's going to balance out the flavor. So then we're going to put a nice big scoop of ice inside our beaker for you. It'll be inside our mixing tin. So we're going to go about 3/4 of the way full. Okay, I actually have a very neat little ice tray that I got for you. Make sure you go ahead and fill that up and give it about 2-3 hours to get nice and cold, those nice clear ice cubes. You're gonna substitute those and use those moving forward. Then we're gonna take our bar spoon. Big thing about the bar spoon, you'll see the little bit of a swizzle that it has in there. It's meant to go between your first 2 fingers, your middle finger and your pointer finger, as well as your thumb. That gives you the ability to give it a nice little twist. So we're gonna take around the side, and then very simple, you're gonna wanna stir. And you can see, I'm not trying to jam this thing. I'm not trying to really dilute it incredibly. I'm just diluting it a little bit. I really want to chill this alcohol, but I want to get a bit of the water to melt, to equate for the cocktail. So you can see I'm just giving it a couple nice stirs. I'll probably go about 10 ways to the right, about 10 ways to the left. Again, you just want to get this nice and chilled. You want to get a little bit of that water, but not a ton. Okay, then we're going to do that for about 20 seconds. Then we're going to get some fresh ice. Okay, again, I suggest highly using that ice tray that I got you because you're going to get a much clearer cocktail. Really put a nice, probably about with those cubes that I got for you, probably about 2 or 3 good cubes will go well in there. Then you're going to take your strainer. Again, this is a little bit different of a strainer for our actual beaker. And we're going to strain this right inside over our fresh ice. I mean, that is just a great looking cocktail. We're not going to miss any of that. So we're going to grab your fresh orange peeler. You probably have one of those with you, but I just decided to go ahead and include one in there. Get a nice big fat slice of that orange zest, okay? Then what we're going to do is take the orange and kind of push it. You're almost folding it back the opposite way towards the outside. And what you're doing is you're going to express it over this cocktail because you're going to equate for a little bit of that orange, the essential oils to come out. I'm going to rub that right around the side of the glass, kick this in beautifully, and there you have an incredible Boulevardier. Salute and enjoy.